Well, it is Friday and I am back in the office. I was in court this morning in Philadelphia representing a client at a preliminary hearing. And it's a good thing that courts are getting back to normal, especially in Philadelphia and in New Jersey, South Jersey, where we do a lot of our cases. With that said, it is Friday and the weather is getting a lot nicer. People will be traveling out and about in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, despite the restrictions. Hopefully people are moving around now and doing lots of errands. I know that I myself have a lot of things to accomplish this weekend. And it's always good to understand, however, that no matter how busy we are, a criminal case can happen to anyone when they least expect it. We've all been to places and with people and found ourselves in sometimes situations that we didn't plan on. And that is the case with many cases that we handle in our office. And that's why we answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you are stopped this weekend or during the week, it's important to understand that to be polite to the police officer and be respectful, but at the same time, do not surrender your constitutional rights. That is very important, especially if you're stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey. It's important to understand that you should not refuse that blood or breathalyzer test, but never give the officer consent to search your person or the vehicle itself. If the officer wants to search the car, don't get in his or her way, but never give consent. Understand that warrantless searches have once again been deemed illegal in Pennsylvania. They're still legal in New Jersey, but the traffic stop that you are hopefully not engaged in this weekend is not an opportunity to debate the law with the police officer. Simply be polite, be respectful. If the officer is going to arrest you, nothing that you say is going to help. That's why when you're stopped, give your license, your registration, your insurance, and that's it. If the officer intends on arresting you for something, there's nothing that you can say that's going to help you. Sometimes police officers say, well, just tell me what happened and I'll go easy on you. Respectfully to the officer, they do not have that type of authority. More than likely, if they've already told you that you're going to be arrested or you feel like you're going to be arrested, that's going to happen. If you are arrested, the best time to hire a lawyer is right after you're arrested. That's why we answer the calls 24 hours a day. In Pennsylvania, it's 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. The website, gambonelaw.com. If you are traveling into New Jersey, understand that your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey, and New Jersey is almost impossible to get a permit to carry. So if you do not have a permit to carry, and you are found in New Jersey with a gun that is illegal possession, and you are facing a mandatory minimum 42-month state prison sentence. That is very, very serious. It's what's known as an indictable offense in New Jersey, and there is that mandatory minimum sentence. Again, if you are stopped, you are arrested, hire a lawyer. Do not attempt to represent yourself at any level in the criminal justice center. It is not like getting a traffic ticket where you are dealing with maybe a fine and possibly a short-term loss of your license. Is much more serious than that. With regards to illegal drugs, keep in mind that a lot of people now have medical marijuana cards. A medical marijuana card, however, is not a defense to a DUI or DWI. Keep that in the back of your mind. A lot of people think that they can show the officer their medical marijuana card and somehow that is somehow a defense to driving while impaired or intoxicated in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. But if you have questions about illegal guns, drugs, or DUI or DWI, give our office a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's going to be a great weekend. Please stay safe. But once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, gambonelaw.com. You can sign up for our free weekly update, which goes out every week. It went out today to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. We do that newsletter. We do our videos. We do our blogs. We do our videos and our books because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to get a great result in their case. So once again, have a great weekend and please enjoy it responsibly.